Just got done installing the Cobalt stainless steel midsection and the new style muffler from Moss Miata on this 99 Miata restoration project. The fitment is pretty good. It's a little tight getting the muffler on the back. The fit and finish of the product is good. That's how it all looks there. Without a bumper, you can see the tip, laser etched cobalt on the top. Here's the system. I haven't run the car because I just changed the manual transmission fluid as well as the rear differential gear oil, so this is a real cold start. First start on the exhaust. See how it sounds. It's a little louder than stock. You can feel a little more vibration inside the cabin. It's got a little buzz in the high RPMs, which I don't like, but that might go away once it's got some miles on it. We'll find out. That's the Cobalt stainless steel exhaust for the NB Miata.